All right, so in this next part right here, you are going to learn how to start Photoshop. You're going to select, make a new file, and then you're going to choose art and illustration. It's going to be 1000 by 1000 pixels at 300 pixels per inch and transparent background. Okay, so you launch Photoshop. And then you're going to go to new file, or you go to file new. So I'll just click new file. And then you're going to go to art and illustration. And then you're going to choose 1000 by 1000 pixels per inch, 300 ppi. Click on that. And then you are going to go over here. You're going to name it. Okay. This is my practice logo. Make sure the width is 1000, the height is 1000, the resolution is 300. And then you need to go down here where it says the background content should not be white. It should be transparent. So that way you can see through when you're using this on videos and stuff like that to brand your videos or your podcast or whatever it is they can do later on. Click create. And then you have a blank canvas that you can use right here. So I'm going to end the video for now. Go ahead and go do that.